Welcome. This video explains how to reset your network settings on AT&T devices to resolve common connectivity problems. Resetting clears temporary network data, like Wi-Fi passwords and cellular configurations, without affecting your personal files or apps. This is useful for fixing slow speeds, dropped calls, or authentication issues. It's a common troubleshooting step recommended by AT&T. A network reset essentially reboots your device's network stack. It clears cached DNS data, APN settings for cellular connections, and Bluetooth pairings. This forces your device to rediscover available networks. It reboots your device's network stack, which is the collection of protocols and layers that manage network communications. It clears cached DNS data, removing stored information about website addresses to ensure fresh network lookups. It clears APN settings for cellular connections, resetting the access point names that control mobile data. It also clears Bluetooth pairings and forces your device to rediscover all available networks, ensuring fresh connections. Important, this is not the same as a factory reset, which erases all your data, including apps, photos, and personal settings. Think of it as refreshing your device's connection to the AT&T network, giving you a clean start without losing your personal data. When should you reset your network settings? Consider a network reset if you're experiencing poor signal strength, difficulty connecting to Wi-Fi, failed authentication attempts, or conflicts after app updates. Specifically for AT&T users, it can address carrier-specific issues like SIM card mismatches or potential throttling during peak usage times. If basic troubleshooting like restarting your device doesn't work, a network reset is the next step. To reset network settings on your AT&T mobile device, start by opening the Settings app on your phone or tablet. Next, navigate to the General section on iOS devices or the System section on Android devices. This is where you'll find the reset options. Look for the reset options within the General or System menu. The exact location may vary slightly depending on your device model and operating system version. Select the Reset Network Settings option. This will clear your Wi-Fi passwords, cellular settings, and Bluetooth pairings. You'll be prompted to enter your device's passcode or PIN to confirm the reset. This security step prevents accidental resets. After confirming, your device will restart automatically. Once it powers back on, you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks by entering passwords again. To reset your AT&T internet router, start by logging into your account at at.com/router. This will take you to the router's web interface where you can manage settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Advanced Settings section. Here you can access deeper configuration options for your router. In the Advanced section, locate the Reset option. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the reset process. Some newer AT&T gateways also allow resets through the My AT&T app. Simply sign in and look for the router management options. Keep in mind that resetting will temporarily interrupt your internet service while the router reboots and reconnects. After resetting your network settings, your device will automatically restart to apply the changes. This brief reboot ensures that all network configurations are cleared and refreshed. Once restarted, reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks. You'll need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords since the reset cleared this cached information. Look for available networks in your device settings and select your home or preferred network. If you use a VPN for secure connections, you'll need to reconfigure it after the reset. Open your VPN app or settings, re-enter your credentials, and reconnect to your preferred server. As an important security measure, double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled on your important accounts. This adds an extra layer of protection beyond just passwords. Finally, perform a speed test to verify your connection is working correctly. Use AT&T's built-in tool in the My AT&T app or a third-party app to check download and upload speeds, ensuring everything is back to normal. If you're still experiencing issues after the reset, there are a few options. First, ensure your device's software and your AT&T router's firmware are up to date. Also, make sure your AT&T SIM card is properly inserted into your phone. If problems persist, contact AT&T support at 1-800-331-50 or use the My AT&T app for further diagnostics and assistance. Looking ahead, expect more automated AI-assisted network resets. AT&T is already integrating machine learning into the My AT&T app to predict and suggest resets based on user behavior. Future developments may include voice-activated resets and blockchain-secured credential recovery. The goal is to make troubleshooting easier and more seamless for users, reducing reliance on manual steps and improving overall network stability.